Good morning, children. Now I am going to take computer class for 3rd standard. 3rd standard children, all of you take your computer book. First lesson, Computer Fundamentals. All of you take your book and take page number 1. Okay, all take your book, children. Take page number 1. Computers. Computers are machines. Computers are what? That is one kind of a machine. They help us to solve difficult problems. It helps us to solve many difficult problems. The computer work continuously without getting tired. We get tired now after doing some work. We are getting tired, but computers never get tired. It can do work without rest. Okay, children, computers can do work without rest. Now we are taking rest. When we do some work means after that we get tired and we take rest for some time and then continue and then next we continue the work. But computers never get tired. It works continuously. Then features of a computer. Computers has important features, 3 important features. What is that? First one is storage. It stores many information. That is storage. Next, speed. It can do the work very speed. Next is reliability. Third one is what? Reliability. 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 Okay, reliability means it gives accurate result. அது வந்து என்ன பண்ணும்? Mistake பண்ணாது. If you are doing some work means we do some mistake, but computer never do mistake. That is reliability. Okay, this is the 3 features of a computer. What is that? Storage, speed and reliability. First, storage. First நம்ம என்ன பார்க்கணும்? Storage. Computer can store huge amount of data. Store information for future also. It store many information in that. It also store information for future also. For நம்ம இப்போ வந்து ஸ்டோர் பண்ணி வைக்கிறது இல்லாமல் நம்ம ஃபியூச்சர் அப்புறம் நமக்கு தெரியணுன்றதுக்காக நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம், நாளைக்கு நமக்கு ஏதாச்சும் தெரியணும்னா அதை நம்ம இன்றைக்கே நம்ம என்ன பண்ணி வச்சுக்கலாம், ஸ்டோர் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கலாம். ஸோ தட் இஸ் த ஸ்டோரேஜ். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்பீட். கம்ப்யூட்டர்ஸ் ஆர் வெரி ஃபாஸ்ட். Computers are very fast. They can do a number of calculation in a second. In a 1 second, it can do number of calculation. We cannot do like that. Then it is true now only, children. We cannot do. But computers can do number of calculation within a second. Reliability means what? It is very speed. It can do number of calculation within a second. Next, computer give accurate result. Computers give accurate result. It cannot do any mistake. It won't do any mistake. But we are doing some work means we can do some mistake. But computers cannot do any mistake. It can give a accurate result. That is reliability. Okay. Have you all understand this one, children? Features of a computer. First one is what? Storage, speed, reliability. Next, functions of a computer. What are the functions of a computer? We are going to see the functions. A computer has 3 important functions. What are the 3? It has how many important functions? 3 important functions. Computer has 3 important functions. So what are the 3 important functions? First one is what? Accept data from the input unit. It accepts the data. From the input unit, it accepts the data. And then second one, processing data using the CPU. It processing the data using the CPU. Next, third one, produce output. It processing the data. And third one is what? Produce output. This is the 3 important functions. What accept the data. இப்போ ஃபஸ்ட்டு நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோம், கம்ப்யூட்டரில் கீபோர்டு மாதிரி ஒன்று இருக்குள்ள டைப் பண்ணுவோம்ல, அதை நம்ம வந்து டைப் பண்ணோம்னா இட் அக்செப்ட்ஸ் த டேட்டா. அதை வந்து கம்ப்யூட்டர் என்ன பண்ணணும், அக்செப்ட் பண்ணிவிட்டு நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ப்ராசஸிங் அந்த டேட்டா வந்து அது என்ன பண்ணோம், ப்ராசஸிங் பண்ணிவிட்டு ப்ரொடியூசர்ஸ் அந்த மானிட்டரில் நமக்கு என்ன தெரியும், நம்ம என்ன டைப் பண்ணி நம்ம என்ன அதை இது பண்ணணுமோ அதை வந்து நம்ம இது வழியாக பார்க்கலாம், மானிட்டர். ஸோ produces output. So this is the 3 important functions of a computer. Okay, so next, the 3 basic units of a computer are input unit, What are the three basic units? See, here is the three basic units. Have you all having the book? No, children, all take your book. Okay. 3 basic units. 3 basic units. What are the 3 basic units? First, input unit. Input unit. Second one is what? Central processing unit. That is CPU. Central processing unit. Next, third one, output unit. Third one what? Output unit. So this is the 3 basic units of a computer. First input unit, next central processing unit, next third one is output unit. First input unit means நம்ம வந்து கீபோர்ட்ல நம்ம என்ன வந்து டைப் பண்றோமோ அது வந்து that is input. Central process அதை வந்து நம்ம டைப் பண்ணது வந்து அது என்ன பண்ணும் CPU வந்து ப்ராசஸிங் பண்ணி நெக்ஸ்ட் நம்ம மானிட்டர்ல பார்க்கிறது தான் output unit. Okay, input unit, central processing unit and output unit. This is the basic units of a computer. Then input unit, we need to put data and instruction into the computer. நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்? நம்ம கீபோர்ட் மாதிரி, that is keyboard and the mouse. Keyboard and the mouse is the input unit. Keyboard and mouse. From that we used to type and we input the message. And next in the central processing unit, that is central processing unit is CPU. This is the CPU is the brain of the computer. So this is the brain of the computer. நம்ம வந்து இதுல input கொடுத்ததை வந்து CPU என்ன பண்ண processing பண்ணி next அது எங்கிருந்து வரும்? Output unitல we can see the print. Okay, output unitல நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். The CPU has 3 major components. என்னென்ன 3 major components இருக்கு CPU ல? Control unit, it controls the unit. Next one, memory unit. Next one, arithmetic and logic unit. Arithmetic and logic unit, that is ALU. ALU, arithmetic and logic unit. In central processing unit there is 3 unit. What is that? Control unit and memory. நம்ம எதெல்லாம் கீபோர்ட்ல நம்ம டைப் பண்றோமோ அதெல்லாம் எது மெமரி பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோம். சென்ட்ரல் ப்ராசஸிங் யூனிட் CPU, that is the brain of the computer. அது வந்து நல்லா மெமரி பண்ணி வச்சிட்டு then it gives the output device. Output unit நம்ம ஸ்கிரீன் மானிட்டர்ல நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். So output unit displays the result. இதெல்லாம் முடிஞ்ச அப்புறம் இதுல இருந்து ரிசல்ட் தெரியும் நமக்கு. Output unitல நமக்கு ரிசல்ட் தெரியும். The monitor and the printer are the most commonly used output unit. Output unitல என்னென்ன இருக்கும்? Monitor and printer. So this is the output unit. This is all about the computer. Have you understand, children? First computer la enna basic unit irukku? Input unit, central processing unit, next output unit. So input unit means input unit la enna keyboard mouse. Keyboard நம்ம எதை வந்து input நம்ம எதை நம்ம அது உள்ள அனுப்புறோமோ, that is இந்த கீபோர்டை தான் நம்ம டைப் பண்ணுவோம்ல, நமக்கு ஏதாச்சும் நேம் எழுதுனா இதை நம்ம டைப் பண்ணுவோம். கீபோர்டில் டைப் பண்ணால் அதை வந்து சென்ட்ரல் ப்ராசஸ், அதை ப்ராசஸ் முடிஞ்சு நெக்ஸ்ட் நம்ம எதில் பார்க்கலாம்? அது அவுட் மானிட்டர் வழியாக நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். that is the output unit. Okay, have you understand this one, children? This is the computer fundamentals. Okay, computer never get tired. Computer is a machine, it never get tired. It solve many difficult problems in a second. It never get tired. It works continuously. Computer works continuously. We are working continuously? No, we get tired after doing some work. We get tired, but computer get not but a computer without rest it can do many work. Okay, it can do many work without rest. It work continuously. And it has storage, speed and reliability. Storage means என்ன நம்ம இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் கொடுக்குறோமோ அதெல்லாம் அது என்ன பண்ண வச்சுக்கோ, நல்லா ஸ்டோர் பண்ணி வச்சுருக்கோம். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ஸ்பீட். இது வந்து in 1 second it can do number of calculations. In 1 second it can do many calculations. Then reliability means it can give accurate. It won't get any mistake from that. Okay. Then functions of a computer, it has 3 functions. What is accept data? அது வந்து டேட்டாவை அக்செப்ட் பண்ணிக்கும். Then processes the data using CPU. Next produces output through monitor, through output unit. Okay, next it has three basic units, that is input unit, CPU and output unit. So from this the first lesson over. Now take your 180 pages note, children. Take 180 pages note for computer and write. Okay, all take 180 pages note, children. 80 pages double rolled note, take all, take. First Roman letter, write dictation words. Have you all started writing, children? Have you all taken the note? Take 180 pages note for computer and write. First dictation words. First one, computer, COMPUTER, computer. Second one, data, DATA, data. Third one, information, INFORMATION, information. While you are writing, say the spellings, children. Calculation, CALCULATION, calculation. Next, fifth one, problems, PROBLEMS, problems. Next, sixth one, storage, STORAGE, storage. Next, seventh one, speed, SPEED, speed. Eighth one. Have you all writing now, children? While you are writing, say the spellings. Function, FUNCTION, function. Next, ninth one. Output, OUTPUT, output. Keyboard, KEYBOARD, keyboard. So 10 dictation words. First one, computer, COMPUTER, computer. Data, second one, data, DATA, data. Information, INFORMATION, information. Calculation, CALCULATION, calculation. Problems, PROBLEMS, problems. Storage, STORAGE, storage. Speed, SPEED, speed. Function, FUNCTION, function. Next, eighth one, output, OUTPUT, output. 10th one, keyboard, KEYBOARD, keyboard. Have you all finished writing this, children? Dictation words, 10 dictation words. Have you all finished? No? Okay, next, fill in the blanks. Okay. Have you all writing now, children? All must write, children. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. FILL, fill, IN, THED, BLANKS, blanks. Fill in the blanks. Now, first one. Computers, COMPUTERS, computers. MACHINES, machines. Computers are what? Machines. It is also a one kind of machines like washing machine, mixie, having machines, no, like that. Computer also a one kind of machine only. Okay, next, second one. The three, THE, the three, THREE, three. Features, FEATURES, features. Of, OF, of. A, computer, COMPUTER, computer. Or, what are the three features of a computer? I already told in the class, no? Say children, what are the three features? Yes, storage, S-T-O-R-A-G-E, storage. Next, speed, S-P-E-E-D, speed. And last what? Reliability, R-E-L-I-A-B-I-L-I-T-Y, reliability. Okay. The three features of a computer are dash, dash and dash. So in the dash what you should write? Storage, speed and reliability. Okay, next third one. The three, T-H-E-D, three, T-H-R-E, three, basic, B-S-S-I-C, basic. The three basic units, U-N-I-T-S, units. O-F of A, computer, C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. The three basic units of a computer are A-R-E-R, dash, input, I-N-P-U-T, input, device, D-I-V-I-C-E, device, input device. Next, centrals, C-E-N-T-R-A-L, central processing, P-R-O-C-E-S-S-I-N-G, processing unit, U-N-I-T, unit, central processing unit, and A-N-D, and output, O-U-T, out, P-U-T, put, output unit. So this is the three basic units of a computer. What are they? Input device, central processing unit and output device. For this you should learn the spelling. If you learn the spelling only, you can able to write, children. So while you are writing, say the spellings. Again and again I am saying you should say the spellings and write. Okay, then only it can remember. Next, have finished this three fill-ups you finished, children. Okay, now fourth one. Have you all finished now, children? Have you all writing only now? Yes. All must write, children. Now, fourth one. You have to read the spellings again and again. Then only you can able to write, children. In the exam you can able to write. T-H-E-D. CPU, that is central processing unit. CPU is I-S is called, C-A-L-L-E-D, called. D, T-H-E-D, dash, B-R-A-I-N, brain, O-F, off. D, T-H-E-D, computer, C-O-M-P-U-T-R, computer. Fourth one, see, the CPU is called the dash of the computer, brain. We are all having brain. Namakala brain irukka? Irukilla. So adhe mari computer ki edu brain. For that computer, CPU is called the brain. CPU the computer ki enadhu? Brain madri. Namakala brain irukilla, moola irukka namakala? Irukku. Adhe mari computer ki edu moola? CPU da adukku brain. Okay. Next, fifth one. T-H-E-D, M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. Monitor means screen. Computer la screen irukalla, adha monitor. And O-I-A-N-D, and T-H-E-D, printer, P-R-I-N-T-E-R, printer. R-A-R-E-R, T-H-E-D, most, M-O-S-T, most. Commonly, C-O-M-M-O-N-L-Y, commonly. Used, U-S-E-D, used. Output, O-U-T-P-U-T, output. Devices, D-E-V-I-C-E-S, devices. The dash and dash are the most commonly used output device.